Hello guys and welcome. Here's a tutorial on how to use the no matter what strategy spreadsheet and what is the information provided there. You can access the sheet either from Company Totals at our website, so by going to the rules section and afterwards clicking on results. Another way how to do it is to go to Twitter and to our Twitter account and press the link on the pinned tweet. So, if we go to the spreadsheet itself, there are three main sheets: summary, statistics, and balance dynamics. So the summary sheet shows what has been the profit every month, as well as the weekly profit. Statistics sheet contains all the bets that have been placed using the no matter what strategy, and also information what has been won and what has been lost. And the third sheet, balance dynamics, basically shows a chart which reflects how my account balance has evolved over time. So it should appear shortly. Okay, here it is. So now what I will do, I will explain the columns that are given in the statistics sheet. First column shows just the number of bets. Second column is the date. The third column shows the game which the bet was placed on, namely the country and the home team. So in this case, the first bet that we have is Belgium, and the team is Waasland Beveren Reserves. The next column shows what is the stake, what we stake. In this case, 60 euro cents. Right next to it, we have the odds -1. For example, if the odds are 2.75, so then we write 1.75, like in this case. Column win shows whether the bet has won or not. If it wins, I write 1. If it loses, I write 0. The next column is profit column. Profit is green and the losses are red. Next column is bet type. For example, in this case, it is over 1.5 first half goals. Win 4 and lost 4. Here I fill in if the bet wins or the bet loses. In the next columns we can see how many bets have been won and how many bets have been lost. The next column is daily profit column. It shows how much we have earned every day. And the last one is remaining bankroll in the sportsbook account. And here in this cell I can see 50%, and that's the percentage of bets which have won. So, thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, press like and subscribe. Let's see you in next video. Bye.